AI probably won't take your job tomorrow, but someone who knows how to use AI might take the opportunity you wanted. For years, the biggest fear surrounding artificial intelligence has been simple. Robots will replace humans, unemployment will explode, and entire careers will disappear. But the reality in 2026 is much more complicated. AI is already entering workplaces at remarkable speed. Gallup reports that 47% of U.S. employees now say their organization has integrated AI tools, while more than half of U.S. workers say they personally use AI in their roles. That doesn't mean half of all jobs are disappearing. Instead, something more important is happening. The tasks inside jobs are changing. Think about an entry-level employee whose day once involved writing basic reports, organizing information, answering routine questions, creating spreadsheets, or doing repetitive research. AI can increasingly handle parts of those tasks in seconds. So what happens next? The value of the employee begins shifting from simply producing the work to knowing what work should be done, checking whether the AI is correct, making decisions, communicating with people, and solving problems the AI cannot fully understand. That is why the biggest threat may not be AI itself. It may be being the person who performs only the tasks AI can easily automate. PwC's 2026 AI Jobs Barometer found that jobs requiring specific AI skills are growing dramatically faster than the overall jobs market. It also found that AI-exposed entry-level positions are increasingly demanding skills such as judgment and leadership. That creates a strange new economy. AI can make some workers more productive while simultaneously making certain beginner tasks less valuable. And businesses have a powerful incentive to adopt it. If one employee using AI can accomplish what previously required several hours of repetitive work, companies can redirect human effort toward higher value activities. But there is another side to this story. AI doesn't automatically create productivity just because a company buys an AI tool. Gallup's research shows that organizations are still struggling to turn widespread AI adoption into transformational productivity gains. The winners may therefore not be the companies that simply use the most AI. They may be the companies that combine AI with skilled people, good processes, strong leadership, and human judgment. And that creates an important lesson for anyone building a career. Don't compete with AI at the tasks it performs best. Learn to work with it. Use AI to research faster, analyze information, automate repetitive work, generate ideas, and improve productivity. But develop the skills AI cannot easily replace: judgment, creativity, communication, leadership, critical thinking, adaptability, and the ability to understand people. The future workplace may not be humans versus machines. It may be humans using machines versus humans who don't. The technology is moving quickly. The real question isn't whether AI will change your career. It already is. The question is whether you'll adapt before the market forces you to.